Hi, my name is Chelsea. I'm going to make kale chips today. And this is kale right here to make it. And then you just take a leaf right here. And then you just drizzle some olive oil on top of that. And then after that, you take it and you massage it. Just like this. And then you put on your seasoning salt. And just sprinkle on, just like that. And then you just massage it a little bit, and then you put the kale chips on here, but make sure you don't put them on top because you really want the crunch, or you don't want it to be chewy. So you just put them on just like this, just like that, and then you come over here to the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And you take them over here, and these are amazing, and watch this crunch. Fabulous. Thank you for watching. I'm Chelsea B. Human. Bye for now.